convert everything you're doing into the remembrance of Allah. You know, I was in Cape Town, and a brother had a Lamborghini that he gave me. He told me it was a very nice one, but this is about 2-3 years old, the story. He says, brother, you can drive this thing. I said, okay. Now there is a way of driving it, and basically I've done it, so I know, right? I told him. He said, okay, if I rip it? He says, rip it. I said, you told that to the wrong man. Okay, so basically we kicked off, and then I told myself, hang on, I need to correct my intention. I'm just appreciating the gifts of Allah. I'm just trying to check, I'm just trying to see what Allah's given us as humankind, such advancement that we have a little contraption of this nature, and I'm going to be testing its guts in order to praise Allah for what He's given, although it's not me, but to humankind. He tells me, you're stretching it a bit. Meaning, you're trying to convert this into a good deed. Anyway, and we were out, and the sound was wow. We came into Cape Town airport with such a big noise, and I enjoyed the, dropping the gear as we just entered, and everyone just turned around, and he tells me, I don't think that was an act of worship at all. Subhanallah. But may Allah forgive us. May Allah forgive us. At least I tried, right? And I'm not trying to justify it, but all I'm doing is showing you that we should try. And Allah will open the doors. But the strange thing, Brother Musa, is when we don't remember Allah at all, a day passes, 2 days pass, 3 days pass, and we haven't even thought of Allah. We haven't spent a moment with Allah, but we've spent hours on end at work and doing so and so, whatever else we're doing without remembering Allah. That's what's scary. I think every one of us today, this reminder should make us from those who put back Allah into the equation. Put Him back. Even if it's you're driving, Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, MashaAllah, Tabarakallah, La ilaha illallah, Subhanallah bihamdihi, Subhanallah al-Azim. That's a powerful remembrance of Allah, and that's the topic today. Powerful remembrance of Allah. Say these words, learn their meanings, because they will be more powerful when you know the meaning of what you're saying.